So, hello everyone. Always we hear from natural gardening to natural living, right? So, how can one can lead to a self-sufficient life as much as possible? Here, we're meeting our Nita ji, who's living in Umusakem in Dubai. So, here she is extracting the oil for her home use.
Temperature getting shoot up. So from 144, it has to reach 200. That's the time it's set to go. That so Nitaji is waiting with the peanuts. So, so that it can.
Peanuts should be kept in the sun for some time before we are using.
Okay, that will give the little bit crispiness. Yeah. So you're taking from the.
Come here now, Mr. Kadir. Abhi ruk gaya. 186.
Yeah, 186 now. So exactly when it's 200 only you start putting up, right?
You cannot rush into doing anything. You have to be patient.
See, that's the ultimate. Still 180 only.
It's stabilizing at 180.
Okay.
Then you can put slowly. चालू करो उधर से. कैसे जा रही है? उल्टा तो नहीं चल रहा है ना? मुझे उल्टा चल रहा है.
This is the waste is coming out. Okay. Oil is coming. Wow. Okay. Very fast. Yeah.
Yes, very fast.
Oh, it's like a flower design. Wow. That fragrance is super amazing. Like roughly how many the quantity of the oil? It's
300 grams to every 500 grams.
300 grams of okay.
300 ml of oil for every 500 grams of seeds.
Oh, 500 grams of peanut seed will give 300 ml of oil.
Approximately.
Okay.
Oh, निकल जाता है.
This you use it for cooking, yeah? The waste.
This I use for cooking. I just dry it and powder it and just add little bit to all my curries and all.
जानी है पूरा भर उसको.
Yeah, you have to keep okay.
This gives it a little bit of a gravy type of.
Yeah, so smell is super amazing,
When you grow up, you have to make an engineer, and in an engineer, you have to do something new machine like this. Okay? Can you?
This is Miss Anita.
Footballer.
Footballer.
Messi.
You have to stamina for that.
When you
You have to start working out now itself. Not only playing, working out, discipline.
that's very important stuff.
This is crisp biscuit. You can eat.
You can eat, yes.
I'll put some jaggery and then eat.
Oh.
Seriously.
Beautiful artwork.
200 वाले.
No, it's 200? Perfect 200.
It gives you a green light.
Okay.
See the green light has come?
Oh, in the blow temperature, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So it means it's ready, fully 100% ready.
Right.
See? Super fast.
Once it starts, it's very fast.
And maximum you can do it for 30 minutes at a time. But here, कुछ कितना बोला था उसने?
So at a stretch you cannot.
You should not use it more than 15-20 minutes. Red light.
Red light means plus 6 seconds. So it's the temperature can shoot up is not a problem, yeah? 200, 210 something.
Yeah, you should not go too much. Now it's the red light. The moment is red light means temperature going too much.
So it will cool down, then you start up again actually.
Yes.
Almost
The
ready.
ideal temperature is 200. See the green light again? हो गया? एक बार उल्टा घुमा ले.
So the full, it's emptied now.
वापस सामने घुमा.
It is straight forward.
बस हो गया.
Ready.
अब इसको पूरा सिलेंडर को तुरंत निकालना पड़ेगा.
So look at the oil, wow.
This once it settles down, the oil will separate and the
This will be
Peanut
peanut
kachra will separate.
separate. So peanut oil is ready.
yeah.
Wow. Super. Thank you, Neetaji. What she's showing now is a sesame oil.
That I had made a few days back.
Few days back. Wow. That's super. So clear. Super. Wonderful.
So this also I use gold liquid.
I used always is effectively realized, effectively reused. Super. So this is the biscuit. You can, if you take a very crispy and tasty as well. Which is the waste of.
A wooden hammer. देखिए.
So it's a waste of the extract of the peanut oil.
And it's edible.
Yeah, absolutely edible.
She just ate it.
Yeah, okay. So
And she came back for the second one.
that's kids love it. If you add jaggery, then
Yes.
that will be more fantastic tasty.
Yes.
And what are the main oils it uses? Sesame oil, peanut oil, and coconut oil. Of course, mustard oils also. And this is the way once you finish up this cleaning stuff. See, they're taking it.
See, she's loving it.